All right. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Miss Debbie. Um, I will be doing my screencast now for my website. So here we go. As you can see here, my cover page, Guide to Become a Casual Golfer. That's what I kind of made my whole website about. So here is a quick explanation of that right here, and a slideshow, related to the website itself that we did. Moving on to the biography. So it's me right here, my headshot from the summer's internship I had. Started talking about my upbringing, why I am here now, what I want to do in the future, and some of my hobbies. So moving on to some personal resources. This is a wakelet that we did, a project. As you can see, it's related exactly to our website. So these are 5 articles to help beginning golfers out there, some tips and tricks that they can, maybe use to seem like they fit in a little bit more on the golf course. Go into curated resources. These are some of my classmates' wakelets that are similar in terms they're just related to sports. So as you can see, these are right here. Youth sports and behind the scene of sports marketing. And then go into some more projects, some tech projects we did in class, the PLN, PLE. This was something new to me. I'd never learned about this before. Personal learning network and environment. Here's an explanation right here. And then, so we learned what it was, and then we made the tree for it. So here's my personal learning network. You can see some of the things I use to do educational technology and learn on different platforms. And then here's some reflections that we had to do. So I talked, we reviewed a teacher blog and talked about how we enjoyed Wakelet and the technology. And then we learned the 7 elements of digital storytelling. So that's what this third one is here, which I didn't really know much about digital storytelling either. So that was something cool that we learned in class from this class. Moving on to the mobile app. So we all had to pick an app, or we're given an app to make a screen or a slideshow, and then we did a screencast on it. So it's loading right now, but mine was Study Blue. So I just talked about, some of the benefits of why you should use it as a student or even a teacher, and how you can access it. So that was a screencast we did for class project. The digital story is one of the last things and one of the more in-depth things we did. So that mine was about a boy. It's called How Golf Saved His Life. It's a fictional story I just kind of came up with. So that was pretty cool. Just trying to think of a digital storyteller to make a video on. So I enjoyed making that and learning how to do that. Moving on to another project, the artificial intelligence and ISTE. So that's what that is here. As you can see, this link is the artificial intelligence assignment. And then here is a embedded chart that we made, or that I made, explaining what the IST standards for educators are. So that was pretty cool to learn about that. Going to the last things, evaluations. So we did this Apple Teacher certification, which was pretty cool. I never heard about this before, but basically became Apple Teacher certified for the iPad. So that was just a few different, had to read some stuff and answer questions, some quick quizzes. So here's my certification here, and then the last thing would be my screencast that's going to go in right here. That's what I'm doing right now. Just a quick overview, we did all these different things and learned about all these different websites and resources for us to, become better educators in the future with technology. And I think that's very helpful for basically every student in any major because, technology is the future. So I really enjoyed, doing this. I took the other ELRC last semester with Miss Debbie, so I think taking both of those classes have really helped me with my technology. So just want to thank you again, Miss Debbie, and Merry Christmas.